Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a taxi or a ride on the Accor ALL application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your homepage by tapping on this search icon down below in the left side corner of the screen, and after that tap on the taxis rides button in the more experiences section. After that you should allow the application to have access to your location, or you can also add your own destination. So enter the pickup location and set it on the map. Here you can see it. So tap on the rides button and here you can see the upcoming rides that you have booked. So basically that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.